Alright, guys. Jeez. What is happening? Exciting day, exciting stuff. Every time, I don't know what's happening. So I got this S9, Lumix S9 for very cheap on Amazon return warehouse. There's an airplane coming. So much noise. I should do this in the office actually. But anyways, Lumix S9, a very controversial camera, I would say. A lot of people are talking about it, and I'm just wondering, like, I just want to test it out, man. I wanted to take photos with it, I wanted to make videos with it, and see what's up with this camera. So I also reviewed the Panasonic Lumix S5 Mark II, which I truly love and make me actually want to switch over from my Sony camera to Lumix. And then this came along, which is like a user-friendly type-ish version of the S5 Mark II. So I'm really curious to see if this is something nice or not. So yeah, let's unbox this together and see what's up. So I think the image quality should be the same as the S5 Mark II. But yeah, you know. Ooh. Ooh la la. Let's see. Oh. It's a weird ass packaging, by the way. Like a sandwich bag. Looking pretty stealthy. Nice. I like the black and red button. You can actually feel the mechanism that is going to make it really, really stable. Stable like my table. Anyways, put that aside. Battery. Is there any juice in this camera even? So, SD card goes in the bottom. Okay, that's old school. Kind of reminds me of my trusty old A6000, Sony A6000. There is some juice in it. There's quite some juice in it actually. It's full. Hoo hoo hoo. Very cool. Okay. Very minimalistic. Okay. And this is just the kit lens, which is basically even larger than the actual camera itself. And it's again the 20 by 60, which is actually, this is actually a really good kit lens. I really like this kit lens. So here it is. Panasonic Lumix S9, and this is, it has a really old school grip, meaning non-existing. But it always kind of looks like with Lumix cameras that I'm always overexposed when I'm shooting in the standard color profile, and I don't know why it's just like that, and I don't know why my voice is so loud using like the normal stuff that I have. Anyways, ISO is now set on 500. I don't know what's going on, guys. I really don't know. I need to dive into the settings of this camera, but I see that it is really sharp though. It is really, really sharp. So this is now shot in 6K, 30 frames per second. Looks absolutely sharp. Sharper than in real life actually. So you can see you can see the hairs of my mustache. Anyways, here's a photo, overexposed as well. I don't know what's going on, but anyways, if you got any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. I also think that the feeling of this, my first impression so far, image quality wise, looks really good, overexposed, so it's the same as with the S5 Mark II, but the body itself feels really plasticky. It kind of reminds me of the old Sony A6000 type of feeling, so very plasticky, very like beginner friendly type of feeling, but you know, I don't know, not sure yet. Doesn't have the same feeling as with the S5 Mark II, which really has like, oh, this is a powerhouse feeling. This feels like a nice camera just to have in your bag and travel with it, and you know, put a nice lens on it and have a good time with it. This is that kind of feeling this has. So you can just throw it away, throw it anywhere in your bag and have fun with it. I'm not even sure. I think you can also put like a flash on it. I'm not sure, is that a hot shoe, cold shoe? Not sure. Have to dive into that type of things and specs. So I will really make sure that I'm gonna try to use this as a workhorse. Excuse me, as a workhorse, as a travel friendly type of thing, and just make a lot of pictures. I don't think I'm going to take pictures in RAW, just in JPEG, just have fun with it, you know what I mean? And then also with just walking around with it. So maybe in log, maybe in a LUT thingy. So I know that this has the LUT, built-in LUT stuff that you can just put in, baked in the image. But now you see it, like my shirt is like totally overexposed. It's just a normal white shirt, but still, I don't know. I have to dive in the settings, guys. Anyways, if you got any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. I will try to answer those in the full review video in a couple of weeks. And then, you know what? I think image quality wise should be the same as S5 Mark II, but handling wise is definitely different. But I do like the colors with like black, stealthy black, and then with the red button. So it definitely looks really, really nice. But the feeling, I don't know. I don't know yet. Anyways, guys, see you in the next one. Good luck. Bye.